Hello there again. One thing we can learn from the book of Job is that God does as He wills to individuals, and so we cannot use our circumstances to measure our goodness or God's. To Job's friend, success is about outward performance, but to God, it's the person's heart. This is because the final fulfillment is not in this life but in the next. So, what is important is how a person views God in prosperity and in poverty, not the poverty and prosperity itself. Okay? So, thank you.